Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for smart software solutions made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Zeo Route Planner, a powerful fleet management software designed to help you plan, optimize, and manage delivery routes like a pro. Whether you're a business owner, a dispatcher, or a delivery driver, this tool can save you serious time and fuel costs. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do, visit the official website, which is going to be zeorouteplanner.com. On the top corner, you have multiple options to log in using your credentials. Start for free option, which is going to be the better option among the three, and of course, book a demo. So, what we're going to do is you can either click the start for free button here on the top right corner or click the blue button on the bottom part. If you do, you'll be forwarded to a new page wherein it's very simple. All I have to do is provide all the details that you have. For example, if you want to provide your business or professional email or work email, you can do with that. But the thing is, the good thing about Zeo Route Planner is that they make the account creation easier by providing an option to log in or create or sign in with your Google account, which we're going to do right now. If you do that, you'll be forwarded to choose from the following. Are you a fleet owner? If you create, assign, and manage routes for multiple drivers, or are you a single driver? So we're going to use the first one, but if you're a driver, you might want to choose the second option, all right? And of course, from here, it's very simple. Follow the on-screen instructions. Loading times may vary depending on your internet connection, so make sure that you are not using an antivirus or VPN because that could interfere with the connection. Once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage, and there's going to be a welcome window that you can skip. You can upload stops, take a tour, all right? But we're gonna skip this for now because as you can see that here on the top corner, you would notice that these are going to be your multiple options when using the Zeo Route Planner. On the left side are going to be the tools that we can explore. For one, now essentially the dashboard is going to be your main overview screen. It gives you a quick snapshot of key information like active routes, and of course, similar to Google Maps, you can basically hover down around here. Okay, so you have the active routes, driver activity, delivery performance stats, upcoming tasks or alerts. Think of it as your mission control center. All right. Now, on the left side is going to be your drivers. So essentially, this is going to be the section lists of all the drivers in your team. From here, on the top corner, you can add a driver, all right? So let's do that right now. So let's say we're going to put in the test email. Name is going to be, say, for example, store locations, vehicle, car. You can put in the optional information such as work start time, for example 6 and around 9. You can put in the break time, break end time, and break minutes, and click on save. All right, so that's one of your drivers. If you want to upload drivers, you can do that as well, but thing is, you need to click or drag the file like CSV, XLS, TXT, and a lot more. Google Sheet or URL, manual entry, or Google Drive. We're going to skip that because we don't have a lot of drivers. But if you do, you can do that as well here. So you don't have to do it manually. You can either bulk upload the drivers. Now, of course, one of the most important part of Zeo Route Planner is obviously the routes. Okay? So for the routes, this is where you planned routes are managed. You can view existing routes. Of course, you can check delivery progress, edit or delete routes. But if you don't have, click the create a route. Now, the thing is, you need to type in the route title. For example, this is assign the driver. So I'm going to use the test driver, start location. You can put that. Now, you can select an option to add stops to your route so that you can see which drivers are assigned to on each route. All right. For example, you can search the address, upload stops, available stops, upload image with stop. So we're going to do that here. So you can simply drag and drop your image or browse to upload. Now we have already added our routes here. All right. Now you can search your routes here if you want. Again, the routes are available around this section. Of course, there's going to be the plus button if you want to create a route, but we already created a route here. All right, but next thing is going to be the global search. For the global search, it's going to be a powerful search tool that lets you quickly find your routes, invoice, order, tracking ID, address, or also some past deliveries or route history. It saves time when you're managing lots of data, all right, especially for a manager. Next is going to be a section for plans and payments. All right, so let me tell you that here, this is your billing and subscription area. Of course, you can see your current plan, upgrade or downgrade, add payment methods, view invoices and payment history. You see there's going to be a route optimization. You can have all these. Enjoy 70% or 70 optimized routes each month, 3 per day, get routes, and a lot more. Route per management is going to be include everything in route optimization plus with even more tools to elevate your business. So if you wanted to scale up, maybe if you feel like that Zeo Route Planner is going to be the tool that could help you with your business needs, you might want to opt for this, because at the bottom you have the custom branding, personalized, and make your mark. But if you have already an existing fleet, you might want to go for the fleet management. All right, so you can have full API and webhook access, integrate seamlessly, premium add-ons and free access to automated triggers, custom routing, and more. And of course, the best part is you have the delivery zone management. You can optimize fleets by area. On top of that is going to be the chat with drivers. Obviously, that's going to be a built-in messaging tools that allows you to just communicate. For example, we can do that and click the send message. You can add a file if you want. So we're gonna click the send button here. Essentially, you have sent updates or instructions. You can directly communicate with drivers on the road, get quick responses in real time, and of course, it's very useful for coordination. Now, there's gonna be an option here that says chat with us. This is gonna be the customer support. All right, you can ask for help, report bugs or issues or glitch, request features or improvements, and chat with the Zeo Route Planner support team. Obviously, these settings are here so that you can configure area where you can adjust user preferences, manage notification settings, set time zones, units, and localization, connect integrations like GPS trackers or CRM systems. All right, and again, as you may notice that Zeo is one of the best tools out there. And if you're interested to know more about it, I suggest you click the schedule a demo. One of the sales staff will contact you, and of course, so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your business needs. All right? And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again in the next one.